What's up everybody, I am Kunal Gagneja and you are watching my channel. Please like the video and please subscribe to the channel. Today I will be converting an input text of hexadecimal into an integer. Now what is hexadecimal? Okay, now 1 is 1 in hexadecimal, 1 is same in decimal also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 are same in hexadecimal and in decimal. But A in hexadecimal is 1, B in hexadecimal is A in hexadecimal is 10. I'm sorry for that, it's not 1. Okay, B in hexadecimal is 11, C in hexadecimal is 12, D in hexadecimal is 13, E is 14, and F is 15 in hexadecimal. After that you can continue from, for example, like A, B, 7, C. So this program can handle just one character at a time. It does not have the capability to handle more than one character at a time. Moreover, uh, hexadecimals generally they work in capital digits, but in this program I have not put up any kind of check for it, so that's okay, so pardon me for that. So public static void main string r scanner input is equal to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print enter a hex digit. It will print enter a hex digit. String hex string is equal to input dot next line. It is checking if the hex string is having exactly one character or not. It is going to the next line. If hex string dot length is not equal to 1, if it is more than 1 or less than 1 or whatever, system dot out dot print, you must exactly enter exactly one character. System dot exit 1. Char ch is equal to character dot to uppercase hex string char at 0. It is converting a character. So if a character is in, it is display a decimal value for the hex digit. Okay, if A is less than ch and ch is less than f. So if a character is from A to F, because we have you already know we have got characters from A to F in hexadecimal. Int value is equal to ch minus a plus 10. It is converting that value of character into hexadecimal. System.out.println, the decimal value for hex digit is ch plus is value. Okay, I'll show this to you. There you are. Else if character dot is digit ch system.out.println, the decimal value for hex digit is plus is ch. Else system.out.println ch is an invalid input. So it is putting up a check also whether it's a valid input or it's an invalid input. I will give you 1 as the input, it will give you output as 1. Okay, I'll show you the output. Now here you can see enter a hex digit V. V is an invalid input because V does not exist in hexadecimal. I'll run it again. Enter hex digit 7. The decimal value for the hex digit 7 is 7. I will run it with capital and small things. Capital letters and small letters. Capital T, okay, that is an invalid input. Small t is an invalid input. Capital D is a okay, so the decimal value for the hex digit D is 13. I will make it small d also, but it's not allowed, I tell you. Now if I'll put more than one character. For example, A, B, D, F, C, 7, whatever. So it's giving an exception. You must enter exactly one character. Okay, thanks a lot for watching and